Now, a Good Business San Diego financial news update, sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.
Good evening. I'm Brent Wilsey, president of Wilsey Asset Management. Well, big brokerage firms, they're competing, fighting very hard to get your business. And that's really not a great thing. I'll explain more as we go on. It's kind of funny. Last week, I talked about how investors are becoming more risky. Well, maybe it's not the investors' fault because Wall Street is kind of tempting them to become more risky. And actually, I see the brokerage firms now, they're acting more like the casinos in Vegas. And why do I say that? Well, because they're doing the same thing as Vegas. To get you to be part of their firm, they're getting you free software and free seminars and all this to teach you how to trade. And again, trading, I will say, is not investing, it's gambling. But we'll talk more about that in a minute. Also, too, they have one firm, this just surprised me, gave free rooms and go-karting for 1,000 people to come to Vegas to go-karting, be in Vegas, and then learn how to use their trading platform. They're doing all this stuff just like Vegas. They give away free stuff to get you into the door. And that's where the problems start with big Wall Street firms in New York. They're trying to get you into the door so they can start having you do other things. Now, they do make money off of trading. It's called order for flow. Actually, payment for order flow is actually what it's called. And that's how they make money off the free trades. But what they're really trying to do is get you to do other things with their firm, such things as margin. Margin right now, this is September, probably higher now, reached an all-time record of $1.13 trillion. And margin is where you borrow to buy stocks. And that means usually you don't have the cash to do it, so you'll borrow margin on margin to get more of the stocks. Problem with that, when things start collapsing and coming down, you're going to get a margin call. And that's where they say, okay, you need to put more money. Most people don't have it, so they're forced to sell that position, which causes more of a downside. So, but margin, Wall Street makes a lot of money off of that. Another thing they want you to do is option trading. They make it sound so exciting, so good. Oh, this, you can take, instead of spending $100 per share, you can do 10 option trades at $10 a piece. They'll make so much more commissions off of that than you're doing the trading. And we don't do it at our firm. We do maybe 4, maybe 5 trades a year. Wall Street doesn't like us. They want people to trade more. They want you to do the options. And this is risky stuff, but they make it so exciting with these platforms they have. They have these situations where, oh, we'll show you how to trade. And they make you feel like, oh, I could be very rich as well by trading. This is what the big guys do. And the big guys don't do that. I've been doing this for over 40 years. I've never seen anybody that's been a successful trader for much more than 2, 3, maybe at most 5 years. Trading is gambling. And people think they're learning how to invest. You're not learning how to invest. And unfortunately, it is working for Wall Street. Right now, the percent of investors with self-directed accounts is the highest in 5 years. It's now 33%. 5 years ago, self-directed accounts are only about 24%. So people are saying, yes, this is the way to go. And the thing that I want to get across to you is they are not teaching you how to invest. They're teaching you how to gamble by trading stocks. That is nothing more than pure gambling. So this is what you have to be careful of. It's happened on Wall Street for many years. This is how they make money, by getting you to trade options, margins. Stay away from it. It's very risky. To learn how to really invest, go to our website, smartinvesting2000.com. Again, that's smartinvesting2000.com. A lot of great information there. We've got a newsletter you can sign up for. All great information. I'm Brent Wilsey. Have a great evening.
This has been a Good Business San Diego financial news update, sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.